Hello friends, welcome to Thorough Education on the digital class platform. Myself Mr. H.V. Kevadia, and today I am going to take your exercise 14.4. But before going to that, let's see graphical representation of cumulative frequency distribution. Cumulative frequency distribution. Cumulative, that means total frequency. Total, additive or subtractive. In this method, cumulative frequency is taken on y-axis and upper limit or lower limit is taken on x-axis. Understand? Y-axis, that is vertical x, and x-axis, that is horizontal axis. If we take upper limit on x-axis, then we shall get less than type of ogive. Ogive, that means curve. Ogive, that means curve, less than type. If we take upper limit, then if we take lower limit on x-axis, we shall get more than type of ogive. To get median from these ogives, first locate n by 2 on y-axis. N by 2, that means total frequency upon 2. Right? Here we will see. To get median, we will take this. First locate n by 2 on y-axis and take relative point on x-axis. This point on x-axis is median. N by 2 on y-axis and relative to n by 2 on x-axis. That x-axis point on x-axis gives us median. If both the ogives, less than type and more than type, are drawn, then the point of intersection of these ogives is the median. Understood? We will see in the exercise. Ogive is also known as cumulative frequency curve. Cumulative frequency curve. Let's see. Exercise 14.4. Look at this. Here, the first question is given. The following distribution gives the daily income of 50 workers of a factory. How many workers? Total 50. And here the table is given 100 to 120, 12, frequency is 12, that is number of workers 12, 120 to 140, number of workers 14, number of daily income 140 to 160, workers are 8, 160 to 180, workers are 6, and 180 to 200, workers are 10. Right? Now friends, we will have to prepare this kind of table less than 120. 120, that is we have taken upper limit. So what we wrote here, if we take upper limit on x-axis, we will get less than type, right? This is less than type. Upper limit. Less than 120, 12, less than 140. Then add both of them. 12 plus 14, that is 26. Less than 160, add another 8. That is 26 plus 8, 34. You will have to look at the textbook also for the table. Less than 180, that is 40, because 34 plus 6, 6 is the frequency. And less than 200, that is 50. 40 plus 10 equals to 50. Now, which are the points? 120 and 12, 140 and 26. These are the points to locate on x and y axis respectively. Look at here. These are points. The first point, I have drawn graph roughly. Okay friends, graphs are roughly drawn, so don't take it otherwise. Graphs are roughly drawn and you will have graph papers and you can draw them perfectly. Okay, we have maximum 50. So I have taken here the gap of 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And here the point starts from 120. If first point is 120, then what? If it is 120, then the gap between 0 and this point is 120, and then 20, 20, 20, 20. So we have to take here kink. This is a kink. This is a kink. So 120, 140, 160, 180 and 200. This is x-axis. This one is y-axis. Okay. So x-axis and y-axis, if we look at here, then 120 we have 12. This is 10. This point is 10. Above 10 is 12. Right? 12. 120 and 12. 140 and 26. This is 140. This is 26. 160 and 34. This one is 34. 180 and 40 and 250. If we draw the graph, it will look like this, ogive. Right? This is graphical representation of question number 1. Now let's go to the question number 2. This is question number 2. Here I am reading the question. During the medical checkup of 35 students of a class, the weights were recorded as follows. Less than type is given here. Less than 38, 0, less than 40, 3, less than 42, 5, less than 44, 9, less than 46, 14, less than 48, 28, less than 50, 32, less than 52, 35. Here the gap is of 2. Right? So what are the points? We have points 38 and 0, 40 and 3, right? So and so and so. Let's take this on the graph. This is graph. Again, what we have to find? Draw a less than type of ogive for the given data. Hence, obtain the median weight from the graph and verify the result by using the formula. Verify the result by using the formula. Median weight. Here kink is there because the graph starts from 35, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. We can take 2, 4, 6, that is 38, right? 38, 40, 42 also. But here is 5, 10, 15, maximum 35. Maximum 35. So I have taken here 35. We have 38 first. The first point is 38 and 0. So 38 and 0. This is 0 on x-axis. Then 40. We have 3. So 5. Here is 5. So we have taken here 3. 40 and 3. 42. 42, that means here. It may be here. 42 and 5. 44 is near to 45. 44 is near to 45. 45. 44, 9. 9 means near to 10. So I have taken here point 10. 9. Right? In this way, we have drawn here graph. Graph should be like this, but I could not draw it properly. Graph should pass through all the points. Okay friends. Now median. Median means n by 2. N by 2 means total number of this is 35. 35 by 2, that is 17.5. Maybe. Right? Here n by 2, which is just above class 46 minus 46 and 48 when we prepare class table. Here look, 17.5, which will give you, this is 20, this is 15, the halfway, and halfway when we go here on x-axis, we may get 46 or 47. near about. So we have first, so right, look at this is formula median, formula of median. L equals to 46, cumulative frequency 14, F equals to 14, and height, that is height of the class length 2. Median M equals to L plus N by 2 minus CF upon F into H. Right? That is L is 46 plus 17.5 minus 14 upon 14 into 2. We cannot cut 14 because here is subtraction, but we will have to subtract both of them. Multiply this, that we get 7 by 14, that is 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2 is 0.5. So our median is 46.5. Look at the graph. N by 2, that is 17.5. If we draw a line here, we will get the median on x-axis. This is similar to the formula. Question number 3. The following table gives production yield per hectare of wheat of 100 farmers of a village. Change the distribution to a more than type distribution and draw its ogive. We will have to change it in more than type. More than or equals to 50, that is more than type, because in more than type we will have to take lower limit. Here is 50 to 55, frequency is 2, 55 to 60, frequency is 8, 60 to 65, frequency is 12, and 65 to 70, frequency is 24, 70 to 75, frequency 38, and 75 to 80, frequency 16. So more than this is 100, total 100 farms. Now more than 55, we will have to subtract frequency of the first column, that is 2. 100, sorry, here will be 100, not 110. Take it 100. 100 minus 2, that is 98. Again 98 minus 8, another frequency 90. 90 minus 12, 78. Here take lower limit. 90 minus 12, 78. 78 minus 24, 54. And 54 minus 38, that is 16. 16 is the last one. Right? Here is less than type. More than type ogive. We have taken here like this: 10, 20, because it is 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. Take points on y-axis and take another points that are lower limits on x-axis: 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75. Right? So here first 50, our point is 50 and 100. So we have taken first point at 100. Then 55, then 98. Here is 98. Then 90. Then 78. Then we have 60. 54. Then last one is 16. Right? So we have drawn here the graph of more than type. If we want to take median, then n by 2, that is 100 by 2, 50. Here is 50 and draw here 50. Then we will get near about 71 or 72. 71 as median. But here it is not given to find out median, so we have not drawn it. And this is the way we have completed our exercise and the chapter both. here, and thank you for being with us. Thank you very much.